No freaking way.
No freaking way.
Come on, Johnny, you can do it.
Still think dairy's the best way to get your protein? No freaking way. In fact, more than 60% of all human beings lose their ability to process dairy after the age of 5. Hi, I'm Justin Nault, certified nutritional therapist and specialist in sports nutrition. In other words, I know my That's why I created the Perfect Paleo Powder, a 100% paleo-friendly protein powder, the first of its kind. No gluten, no grains, no soy, no dairy, and certainly none of those big scary GMOs. Come on, man, you got this. Lactose intolerant? No problem. Celiac disease? Drink up. Irritable bowel syndrome? We've still got you covered. The Perfect Paleo Powder contains 0 artificial chemicals or sweeteners. It's just food, whole foods, and nothing but the foods. So help me God. So grow up. Don't be like them. Quit ruining your badass workouts by slurping down baby formula.
Remember, when it comes to sports nutrition, no freaking way. The Perfect Paleo Powder, a high-performance powder for high-performance people. Learn more at IamClovis.com.